Hi guys, it's Curly Tiffany and I am back again with another product review. Now I wanted to share with you guys a peeling gel that I've been using off and on for the past 5 years. I ran out and I went to go get another one. But this review is more about how this product actually works. This is Peter Thomas Roth, and it's a skin peeling gel. And like I said, I've been using this on and off for the past 5 years or so. This comes in, I have the 6.8 size, but when I initially bought it, I got the 3.4 ounce. So I will put a link in the description if you want to try either one of these out, in the description below. What this states on the actual product is that Firmex can visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells, which massage deeply into the skin. Multiple action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, and new complexion for all skin types. So the first time I used it, I was amazed. I mean, when I was rolling it off, I actually felt like my skin was rolling off. So when I went to go and buy another one of the hosts, and I get these from QVC, like I said, they advertise this is that it's your actual skin is peeling off. And I'm thinking to myself as I'm using it, is it actually dead skin that's coming off, or is it the product? So I am going to show you guys how I apply this. If you guys use this, let me know. But I'm going to show you how I apply this and what it looks like.
I knew this hand was going to have more than the other one because the other hand gets all the love all the time.
All the time, right?
But you could see all of that dead skin. I'm sorry, guys. I know that's kind of gross, but, you know, we're all friends. The other thing, oh, that's a lot.
I've used this on my
Wow, guys, this is really disgusting. Look at this. Is this all dead skin that's just rolling off of my face? What do you guys think? To me, I think it's a combination of both. I think there is this dead skin that's peeling off, but also it feels like it's the product too that's peeling off as well. So I mean, once you apply the product feels like it balls up as you are exfoliating and rubbing this on. But wow, look at this. This is a lot. So what do you guys think? If you ever use this product, let me know in your description if you think this is your actual dead skin that's coming off and not the actual product that's just being rolled up and wiped off of your skin. Let me know. I think there is a combination of both, but I always kind of was that has always been something in the back of my mind that it's product and not dead skin. But let me know what you guys think. But I do like it. I absolutely enjoy putting this on, even though it's absolutely disgusting. Okay, so I just rinsed off all that disgusting, icky, dirt, peel, product, whatever it was. I just rinsed it off, and my skin does feel really good. It feels really good. It feels tight. It feels like I actually did some kind of exfoliation to my skin. When I do my rinse, I don't use cold water. I do use lukewarm water when I am rinsing off that exfoliation peel. When I usually do it, I usually apply it and then wait like about 5 or 10 seconds, and then I start moving it around. I don't know if I did it this time, but that's something that I do. But as you could see, when I applied it right away, it started to roll off right away. So what do you guys think? Is that like dead skin? I mean, what else could that be? That was just so disgusting. But it feels good. I don't know if you guys can tell between this what I look like now and my skin difference then. What looks like now between the first time is what I'm trying to say. It looks good. I mean, I feel like I had a peel. So, if you guys tried it, let me know. If it's not working, let me know. But I think this is something that, if you're into peels, I do like peels. The reason why I like this one more than a scrub is because I don't like the way the scrub feels on my face. I like scrubs for my body, but I don't like them for my face. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks very much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please just hit that subscribe button and give it a like. I will be doing more product reviews soon, so I will see you guys later. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later. Thanks. Okay, it's absolutely disgusting that this is just dead skin rolling off of my face.